We're going to take a look at the Notification Center for the iPhone. If we swipe down from the top of our screen, Notification Center will open. Here we can see our weather widget, stock widget, our share widget, and any notifications that we've missed. If we scroll to the left or the right with our weather widget, we can view the forecast for 5 days. If we scroll left or right in the stock widget, we can view more stocks. If we hit the tap to tweet button, a tweet sheet will appear, and we can start typing in our tweet. And once we're done, if we hit send, it'll send our tweet to Twitter. If we hit the tap to post button, our Facebook sheet will appear, and here we can start typing in our status message. We can even add a location and add a specific group of friends we'd like to send this to. Once we're done, if we hit post, it'll post our status to Facebook.